Welcome to the Bricks Network. I'm Ken. Today on the desk we have the Lego Speed Champions Audi S1 e-tron Quattro. And this set number is 76921 and it's for ages 9+. So this particular set was released on March 2024. It contains 274 pieces and it has a retail price of $26.99. 26 euros and 99 cents and 20 British pounds and 99 cents. So let's have a quick look at the box. See here, nice Quattro, kind of speeding through the snow, the snowy highway. A little side view. All right, particularly there. Top of the box. Oh, here the wheel, the dish wheels are 1-to-1. Bottom of the box, nothing special. All right, and then the back of the box. Can I see here? Okay. All right, let's tear it open. Oh, look at this. These are paper bags instead of the plastic ones. All right, and they're numbered. So 1, 2, the chassis, and the book. Okay, all right. So let's check the box to the side. Oh, I heard something fiddling around in the box. So, oh, there we go. Sticker sheet. I know I was missing something. All right. Ooh, look at that. 28 stickers. Oh no, I'm wrong. 30 stickers. Ooh, it's gonna be a tough ride. But I love these Speed Champions, so gotta do what we gotta do. All right, push this to the side. Have a look at the manual, building instructions. See if there's anything cool in here. Flip through. No, just some more Speed Champions. And so far, if you're new to the channel, check out these videos. I've actually built this one and this one. The Dark Horse and then all the McLaren Formula 1. All right. Yeah. Nope, nothing special. All right. Let's get into the speed build. Welcome to the review portion of the LEGO Speed Champions Audi S1 e-tron Quattro. Once again, this is set number 76921. Now, for me, this was one of the more enjoyable Speed Champion builds. Just the shape of it, I guess it just works with this LEGO build because of the jagged edges. It lends itself perfectly for these LEGO pieces. It looks awesome, and even the 3D effect here, how they're able to make the door inlets and etc. They did a wonderful job. Wonderful job. Even though there were a ton of stickers, roughly 30, there were some nice printed pieces. For example, this is a printed piece. The hood, the roof right here is a printed piece. Also on the front here, these two pieces here are printed pieces. These three are printed pieces, the Audi sign. This side gray piece is a printed piece. The wheel caps are printed pieces. And then in the rear back here, I don't know if you can see that. This piece is a printed piece. And including these two side pieces are printed pieces. So there are a ton of printed pieces, and it was an enjoyable build. It went together quite quickly, to be honest. And even compared to other builds, this one went together actually quicker than some of my other LEGO Speed Champions that I built to date. Here's a shot of the chassis underneath. It's pretty clean, and honestly, this is one of my most favorite builds and vehicles of this series. It looks amazing, it's great, and if you are into LEGO Speed Champions, it's a pretty good bang for your buck. I mean, it gets you into the LEGO ecosystem at a very reasonable price of about $27, and you can't beat that. Last up is the minifigure. Printed torso and legs. Has e-tron there, I don't know if you can see that. And then on the back, the Audi logo. Overall, wonderful, wonderful car. I can't say enough about how much I enjoyed building this. And my son helped out as well. So, you know, if I get to spend some more time with my son building these LEGO sets, hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm glad he's enjoying spending time with his old man. So, once again, thank you. If you have any questions about this build, please leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I have plenty more of these things to come. And not only vehicles, but I have a lot of other sets such as Star Wars and Harry Potter, City. I have a ton of stuff that I've been dying to build. All right, till the next time, peace.